Welcome to the installation guide for our Polydeuce pipe gaskets. In just a few simple steps, you'll ensure a secure and reliable seal for your pipes. Step 1. Begin by checking for any loose dirt, debris, or foreign material inside the bell, on the spigot's corrugation, and on the gasket. A clean surface is crucial for a proper seal. Step 2. Ensure the anti-roll lip on the gasket is facing toward the end of the pipe. This orientation is essential for a correct fit. Step 3. Place the splice of the gasket at the 12 o'clock position on the pipe. Step 4. If two operators are installing, start working the gasket into the spigot gasket corrugation. Pull the gasket around the pipe, making sure the gasket body stays in the corrugated gasket groove. Step 5. Be cautious when pulling the gasket on the outside. This is crucial, as the gasket tightens down while being stretched. You don't want to pinch your fingers during the process. Step 6. Once the gasket is entirely installed on the pipe, ensure it's equalized all the way around. You can do this using the pinch-pull method. Press-Seal recommends using the pinch-pull method to equalize the gasket onto the pipe. Simply pull the gasket up and release it, creating a distinctive snap sound. Start snapping the gasket all the way around to ensure it's evenly stretched. And there you have it, a secure and reliable seal for your pipes. With these simple steps, you can trust that your pipes will perform at their best. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Press-Seal.